Hello, my name is Calida. Welcome to ESL Universe. Today, we will learn how to speak a basic English sentence for beginners. Learning how to speak basic English sentences is an important step for anyone who wants to communicate in English. The first thing you need to do is learn some basic vocabulary words such as hello, goodbye, yes, no, and thank you. Once you know some basic words, you can start putting them together into simple sentences. To make a basic sentence, you need to start with a subject, which is usually a noun or a pronoun. For example, I, you, it, we, and they. Then you need to add a verb, which is an action word. Some common verbs are the verb to be, which we conjugate to am, is, and are, as well as the verbs have and do. Finally, you need to add an object, which is usually a noun or pronoun that receives the action of the verb. For example, you have a book. The subject is you. The verb is have, and the object is book. We use the article a to show that you have only one book. You have a book. It's important to use proper grammar when speaking English. This means using the correct tense, matching the subjects and verbs by adding the letter S to the end of verbs when speaking about a third-person singular subject like he, she, and it, and using articles like a and the correctly. We will discuss each of these things in other videos. Practice speaking basic sentences out loud every day to get comfortable with the rhythm and flow of English, and soon you'll be able to have simple conversations in English. As you become more confident with basic sentences, you can start adding more complex sentence structures like questions, negatives, and compound sentences. But starting with the basics is the key to building a strong foundation for your English language skills. With practice and dedication, you'll be speaking English fluently in no time. Good luck, and see you again soon on ESL Universe.